How to fix WhatsApp business notifications. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to fix WhatsApp business notification. You generally need to sync your phone system settings within the app's internal settings. First of all, let's just go ahead and launch open WhatsApp business. Tap the three dot at the very top right. Go to settings, and here under settings you could find notifications. Simply want to make sure to go ahead and toggle the button. You could also enable the or sound, or choose the sound as well. And whether you want to vibrate or mute all that, you could also go and use a light and all that stuff. And this way you are supposed to fix. Next, you also want to make sure to exit out, launch open settings on your device. Then go to apps from the list, locate WhatsApp business, select notification, and simply want to toggle the button. So this way you're supposed to fix WhatsApp business. And also make sure you're not or you've not enabled this do not disturb. So if you have enabled do not disturb or DND, that might also be one of the reason why you're not able to receive a notifications. And you might also want to make sure to go ahead and disable any sort of battery optimizer if you have installed onto your device or using it. So if you have this, you want to go to settings and look for battery, and make sure to toggle the button as well. So you also want to make sure to go ahead and check all these, and if nothing works out, restart and see whether that's gonna fix or not. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.